Today we are going to talk about the Canva platform. So many of you have heard about this software already. So when you come to the canva.com site, this is the main interface. Here you can see a lot of options to choose from. So if you are in a hurry and you need a design to do, you can just click here and search for your design. For example, in Instagram, you can get the templates over here, click it, then you can just start designing real fast. For example, you can click on pre-made templates, and if you are a complete beginner, please stay with me. So you will need to know some things before you use this software. Okay, you can see the main menu bar over here. You can see templates, features, learning materials over here. You can just click on them and you can learn from their own content. If you want to purchase the package from Canva, you can just simply click and you can purchase it. This area include your files, themes, and trash can. So if you have like projects you made earlier, they will appear over here. You can do a lot of things over here as well. You can select, maybe you can delete, or maybe you can move to another folder, etc. And after that, you can create teams with Canva, and you can easily add your friends, maybe family, and your colleagues as well. Here you also have some tools from Canva. You can read about them and you can just get the understanding of how to use those things as well. If you're a complete beginner, you better take the desktop version of the Canva because it will be a little bit easier for you to use. So I will show you how to download it from this menu. First of all, you have to go to the pricing, select free, or maybe any other one as well. Then you can go down over here. You can see under the products, there's the download app. From here, you can start downloading and it will download really fast. This is only about 120 megabytes, so this won't take long. After the download is complete, you can open and install the software. Please note that even though you use the Canva desktop application, you need the internet connection as well because your files will be saved on cloud. So you need internet connection as well. And after you install the desktop portion of Canva, you will have to sign up. You can simply click over here, then choose your Google account, maybe your Facebook account. Now you logged into the desktop version of Canva, and here you will have the same things, not much difference from the web version. If you want to select a particular design, you can use this as well. So if I enter Facebook, you will see some options for Facebook designs. And if you click one of these templates, you will get right into the editing menu. Here you can edit any way you want. For example, if you hover the mouse over these elements, you will see a bounding box over them. And if you click on them, you will select them. After you selecting them, you will have a lot of options to choose from. For example, you can select and change colors, maybe edit the image with some filters as well, and you can crop, of course, and apart from them you have other options as well. Please feel free to check on these things and you will get the basic understanding. Also, I should mention you can animate in Canva because Canva also support video editing and video creation. So if you click here, you can add animations from here. So if you want to add a animation to this, you can simply click the animation. The soon you do that, you will find this timer button over here, which means now your design is like a video, it's playable. If you play this, you will see the preview of your design. Now if you want to add details to your design, you can use elements over here. As you can see, there are millions of free elements as well as pro versions. To be able to use pro version, you will have to purchase the Canva Pro, and I will click one of these. So you can move, like I said, with your mouse, and you can select colors as well, and you can resize with these nodes. When you place your elements, you will see smart guides appear in pink color. It will be easier for you to use these guides to perfectly align these objects. If you want to like center these objects, there's always other options as well. For example, if I want to center this object, I can just click on the position button and you can click center. Also, you can go top, left, right, bottom, etc. And also Canva has layers for individual elements. For each element there will be a specific layer. For example, this element is behind the text right now, but if I right click on this object and bring it front, so as you can see, now it's on the top and you cannot see the text because this one is the top layer. So if you want to send this back, you can also use this and also use this shortcut as well. These are the basic things you need to know about Canva before starting. So I will see you in next video and we will talk more about this awesome software. So see you next time.